Why does my baby carrier hurt my back, and is it fitting correctly? My name is Angela. I'm a mom of 2 and a certified baby wearing educator. Waistbands should sit at your natural waist. If you're taller or have a longer torso, just move your waistband up higher because a lot of times people wear it way too low. And when it's too low, all the weight shifts to your shoulders, and then also the baby's not the right height. So buckle it first correctly, and then you can adjust everything from there. Now let's talk about straps. Baby should be snug against your body and not sagging away from you. The further the baby is from your center of gravity, the harder your back has to work. Tighten until there's no gap between your baby and your chest. Now let's talk about shoulders. If your shoulders are doing all the work, then the waistband is not doing its job. At least 60% of the baby's weight should be on your hips and on your waist. So check that the waistband is snug and sitting in the right place before tightening the straps. Now let's talk about wraps for a second. Uneven or loose wrapping means uneven weight distribution. Take your time when you're wrapping because rushing could lead to a lopsided carry. Once your baby gets to about 15 to 20 pounds, a stretchy wrap might no longer give enough support, and it's time to switch to a structured carrier. Let's talk about carrier fit. You should look for wide padded shoulder straps like these 2 right here, the Maybe and the Ergobaby, and also a nice supportive waistband. Like this Ergo one has a lumbar support. If you have a shorter torso, look for a carrier with extra adjustability. Something like ring slings or carriers without a waistband put all the weight on your shoulders, so they might not be the best option if you're already having shoulder and back issues. If adjustments are not helping, that carrier just might not be the right fit. Many baby carrier brands and local baby wearing groups will offer complimentary fit checks. A carrier that hurts is a carrier that you'll stop using. It's worth getting it right.